Yo, what's up, guys? Wanted to jump on here and share something pretty exciting. You may or may not have heard about it, but Jungle Scout just announced not that long ago that they have a new tool that is built into their web app that will allow us to find suppliers and manufacturers and really go out there and discover how we can find the top manufacturers of top brands. And I don't mean going out there and guessing what is going to be the best manufacturer. I'm saying like we can find out exactly who Nike is getting their stuff created and manufactured. Like we can go directly to those people, which is pretty awesome. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you just a little bit. And again, I have just discovered this myself not that long ago. I actually interviewed Greg about this, Greg Mercer, that is, and we were able to go through it. And they publicly announced it probably about a week ago now. But I haven't had a lot of time to play around with it. But today I did, and it's pretty exciting stuff. So let me just go ahead and bring up my screen here. And what I'm going to do is kind of go through this process. So let's just say, for example, that I want to, let's just say I want to find the top garlic press manufacturer, or at least the ones that are doing or creating garlic presses for top companies. All right. So one thing that I could do is I now can go in here and I can just type in garlic press. Okay. Now this is by product. Now I also can go by company. I can also go by supplier, and I'll show you that here in a second. But what I can do here is I can go into this particular product. So a garlic press is what I'm looking to source. Okay. So then I'm going to hit search. And then from there, what's going to happen is it's going to start to pull in all of these manufacturers. Now, here's what I want you to pay attention to. This right here, the Pampered Chef company. Okay. Pampered Chef. Pretty big organization. This is who's creating garlic presses. And you can see right here, 100% of a match. Okay, so they've based this off of the data that Jungle Scout has went and found these public records and now created a database using them. All right. Pretty crazy stuff. So right here, like again, Red Cup Living, Euro Market Design, let's see, Chef S&P, let's see, Loblaws, Polyform, Spencer Gifts, Kitchen Supply Company. So that's just one. Now watch this. OXO International. OXO is a big manufacturer for garlic presses, anything that's kitchen goods, OXO. Okay. Costco. Okay. Let's see if there's any other big name. Costco again, Canada. So what I can do now is I can see this right here. This is the actual address of where it is. Okay. So right here, I can see that this is being manufactured in Taiwan. All right. Now I can reach out to these people, right by in here. I can go search for contact information, and then that will pull up a Google search and find their information, or at least it'll do a pretty good job of finding their information. Now, I can also save the supplier inside of here. If I go save supplier, I can create a group name, and I can just say, let's say kitchen stuff, right? Let's just say that that's what it was. I could say create, and now that is created in a group. So I can go over here to my suppliers, and then you'll see here, I have this already kind of saved in this group. Now I can create subgroups and all that stuff. That's just a bonus thing that we can do here. But let's just go back to the supplier database. And let's just say, for example, now I wanted to do this for, well, let's just go to Amazon real quick. All right, so here I am. I'm inside here, and then what I can do now is I can go ahead and say, okay, a big manufacturer is Storm. All right, so let's go back here and let's say Storm Bowling. Let's see here, bowling bags. Okay, or bag. Let's do Storm Bowling Bag. All right. Now what it's going to do is it's going to find, okay, those that are labeled for a product Storm Bowling Bag. Okay, so instead of me going, oh, I want to go and see if I can find Storm and find the products, I can go right after that exact product. These different customers, which is Storm is one of them, are using these guys, this manufacturer here, which is also based in Taiwan. All right. So again, I can reach out to these people. I can go ahead and save these guys inside of there. And you can see they manufacture all of these different types of goods. All right. But again, Storm, who's a major major company, they're using this company to do that. You also got this company. Okay. This is an 88% match, which is still pretty good. This is in China. All right. Storm is using these guys as well. All right. They've had 165 shipments, 5 total customers. This is 15 total shipments. So again, I can view more. And then what it's going to do is it's going to pull in the shipping history. So 2 shipments in March. Let's see, one here, one here. This is going back 2016. So not a lot of shipments, but still that's who they've trusted to do business with. All right. So that's pretty cool. And then you can see here some of the different things. The Storm keychain, Roto Grip ball keychain, return bowling chains or shoes. Let's see here. Storm keychains. So a lot of keychains, it looks like. So that's what they're doing. Let's see this one here and see what's being manufactured. Bowling bag. There we go. Bowling bag parts right here. This is how much the weight was. This is how much the quantity is. Now this could be cases, but again, this is the one that it looks like they're getting it done in China. Their bowling bags are being made. This is pretty cool. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to go and have that manufacturer make the exact same product because they probably won't, because it's either maybe it's an exclusive for those guys or maybe there's a patent or whatever. But at least I know that Storm, a huge company, is trusting this manufacturer. So I just did that in literally 5 minutes. And now what I can do is I can start reaching out to them instead of like weeding through all the suppliers and figuring out which one would be the best. This here will allow me to do that. Now, here's the other thing. Let's say, for example, I went over here to Alibaba and I search for garlic press. Well, I can go in here and I can say, let's look at this garlic press right here. And let's see the manufacturer. Now they've got, they've been around for 3 years. They're in China. Now what I can do is I can click here and then I can say, okay, let me go ahead and search for this manufacturer inside of Jungle Scout, the web app. Okay, so if I go back here to supplier database, I can go to supplier now, and then I can go here. All right, let me get that off of there and then hit search and then see what comes back. Now this will show me who else is using this company, and I can decide if it's a company that might work for us. So it just looks like there's not a lot of like big names. It doesn't mean that it wouldn't be a manufacturer that I would do business with, but this is a way that you can vet those different suppliers from Alibaba or Global Sources or any of the other marketplaces for finding a supplier. All right. So pretty cool stuff. I'm going to give you guys another few examples here. Here's the thing. If you guys got any questions, let me know and I will do my best to answer them. The other thing that I wanted to mention, if you are not yet a customer of the web app, you might want to become one, and actually you can get a discount on the web app. And again, yes, I'm an affiliate for this, but I am only an affiliate for products that I use and that I believe in. This one here packs a lot inside of this one tool. This is brand new. If you want to receive some money off and some additional search credits and all of that stuff that happens inside of the web app, go to theamazingseller.com/JS. And you can do that, and you can get that discount over there. Check it out. And yes, like I said, you'll buy me a cup of coffee, but I'm telling you right now, it is well worth the investment on the web app. It's something that I'm pretty darn excited about. All right, so let me go back here, and let me go into another search. So let me go back to supplier database. Now the other thing is too, while I'm in here, I mean, look at what else we get access to. We get keywords. Right here, we can do keyword scout. You can create your own list. You can do a list builder or a listing builder, all that stuff. You can find products. So all of this is within the web app. This is brand new. They just added this feature to this, which is insane. All right. So again, let's say, for example, I want to look at Nike and see who they're using for their manufacturing. So here we go. Okay. So Nike right here, top suppliers right there. Now we have here top suppliers, okay, inside of here. This is what is coming back as they're using. Well, let's do something else. This is what they're telling me. It looks like Nike is a brand and likely owned by Nike Incorporated. Try searching for this. So let's do that. Right now, let's see what happens. All right, because that's more direct. There we go. Okay, so, okay, we have, these are different. It looks like the total imports too is a lot there. Nike USA is here. Again, so I can go into any one of those and discover who they're using and where they are located. Let's see here. Okay, so the match type, let's see. Let's go into Interloop. Let's see. Go down here a little bit. Let's see if I can spot another one. This is probably going to be my best one. Let me just click on here real quick. I want to see this. Okay, yeah, JCPenney. They're using Nike. Let's see, McGregor. Okay, Adidas. They're all using this manufacturer, guys. Like, this is their manufacturer. You can see all the different shipments that are coming through. And then you can see what they're actually importing here. Socks. Let's see. All men's socks, looks like. So that they must be manufacturing socks for them. All right. So that's pretty cool right there. And you can see here, this is where it's located. Where is that? Let me see here, search for contact information. So if I go there, it automatically brings me over into Google to do a search. And then it will give me the Interloop Limited, their Facebook. So this is how I would go ahead and find their address by going through this type of a search. Looks like here, this is probably one. Bloomberg did something on their stocks, and then LinkedIn. So that's how I would discover that particular manufacturing. You see clothing, knit, vehicle parts, machinery, mechanical appliances, other. All right. Here's the other thing. Let me go back here now. There's another one I wanted to search for. Let me just go into search by product. I'm going to do CJ parts and let me see what comes up. I'm doing this is because I'm a Mustang guy. So let me go into company and let's see if that comes up. CJ Pony Parts. There it is. Okay. I know I've used these guys. Okay. And I've bought stuff from them. You can see here 119 imports. This one here is 45 imports. So this one here, what I'm curious now is to go inside of here and let's go into this one and let's see. Okay. That's their top customer. The best for auto, EPI performance. Okay. Wheel spacer. That's what they're using. Clutch facing. All right. So this is showing me what they're purchasing from this manufacturer. All right. Let me go into this one here is in Pennsylvania. That is actually where they're located. So that's interesting. Let me go to Apex Auto Parts. I'm just curious. Keystone Automotive, National Parts. So this is more. So again, here's the other cool thing. You can find suppliers that are not just in China, which is pretty cool. Okay. Taiwan, even in the US. Germany, like all over the place, you can find them. And that's pretty awesome. So again, this is just like a very, very quick overview of what you can do with this. Let me just go into, again, where was I? Let me see here. Okay, so I was in here. Let's just go now and look up another manufacturer. I'm just going to do bowling bags. I'm just curious. I look for products here. All right. And then this manufacturer is only 2 years. So to do a little bit more of background check on these guys and see what else they've been doing. Again, this is what I think it's going to be useful for is being able to see that. So let me go here. And it looks like this is the one that I want to copy. I'm going to go there. I'm going to go over here. This is going to be by supplier. So I'm going to copy that in and we're going to see what happens here if anything comes back. And again, this is a way to validate something that you might find on one of these other marketplaces. So yeah, you can see this is who's using them. Okay. And then you can see here, plastic products, general auto repair. It's kind of interesting that these guys do a lot of auto repair, but yet it's saying that they sell bowling bags. So that makes me think that they might not be specializing in bowling bags or anything bowling. It might just, they could be a trading company for all we know. But these guys are located in China, which we kind of already knew. This is one of the brands that's using them. These are all the other ones that are using them. And again, I can search for, well, let's do this real quick. Let's take this and see what happens. I take that customer And then I'm going to take them and put them into a company, and we'll see. Oops, let's get that out of there. And let's see what this comes back as. Okay, so that's who they're using for their suppliers. This is another one that they're using. This is just Anderson. So it only comes up to that one, probably a smaller company, and they're based out of California. But they're using these guys right here. Only one import. So probably not enough to go on. But that's why it's cool to go after like the bigger brands, right? Like, so let me go back to another one. And well, yeah, I can go into here. Let's just do Adidas. I think that's how you spell Adidas. No, it's not. Let's do that again. Let's see. Adidas. Let's see. Is that right? Doesn't look like it is either. Okay. So Scott can't spell Adidas. Is it two D's? I don't think it is. Well, let's do this. Let's go Nike, and then it'll come back and it will tell me, oh, because I'm searching. Yeah, I'm searching by company. So let's do Nike Incorporated again. Like we did before. Let that search. This is how easy it is. And then let's go into the inner loop again. And I think, yeah, there it is. Yeah, it is. It's only one, but this is what it's saying. So let's go here. Let's go back to company. Let's go here. And let's see if this pulls up anything for me. Yeah, it does. Adidas International, total imports. Here's what they're using right here. All right. This looks like it is trading. So it looks like a trading company, possibly. This one's in South Carolina. International trade. Okay. Footwear, shoes, clothing. Yeah. So all of these are the ones that I would be looking into. Apex engineering work. This one here, 9,000 imports. This is a big one. Let's see. So these are the sports gear. So if I go into here, all of these are Adidas International. That's who they're using. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. Anyway, you can spend a lot of time here, but it's really, I think, important to focus on the product or other companies that sell certain things that are similar to yours, and then go from there. That's where it can get really, really exciting, is to be able to do that. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm actually going to look through the comments really quickly. Cool. All right. So it looks like and it's Anastasia, cool feature. Have been using it for a few weeks now. It's awesome. That's cool. Let's see here. That's the web version of the Jungle Scout. Yes, it is. And Omar. Hey, what's up, Omar? Looking forward to meeting you at Seller Summit. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I will be there. And I got to put this one up. I mean, Brian says, Scott, you're the man. Why not? Right? Like, awesome. All right. So guys, like I said, this is a brand new feature. And again, if you're interested in checking it out, you can go to theamazingseller.com/JS. Check it out. It is in the web app. You will get a discount if you go through my link. Yes, I'm an affiliate for Jungle Scout. I have been since the day that I got connected with Greg when the extension was first available. It was like in beta, and I tested it. We're going like back 4 years ago now. Greg and I have become very good friends. We actually work on another project together, the 5-minute pitch, which you guys have probably heard and seen. Yeah, just a great company. They are dedicated to giving the best data, the best tools, the easiest way to use them. That's why I recommend them. I don't just mention tools lightly, because I know there's a lot of them out there. I know a lot of them out there are just out there to money grab, and that's not what this company's about. It's more about giving you useful information that you can actually use and trust in the process. This is definitely something that I think is game changer stuff, because you just seen, if I want to launch a bowling bag and know that I'm going to get a quality supplier that I am going to be able to trust, I probably want to go with a manufacturer that's already done it for other companies, big name brands. Like I said, Storm is a very big bowling brand. I could go after, what's the other one there? There is Storm. I should know this. I'm a bowler. The other one is AMF, I believe it is. There's other ones out there. The other thing is Nike, right? Or Adidas. or you can go New Balance, like any of the top sports brands, those you could go after. Maybe there's a certain cooking brand that you want to know, where are they manufacturing? So this way here, I know that I can trust that manufacturer, because the truth is that your product, you want high quality, but also just because their brand is, something that's well known doesn't mean that you can't compete. But I wouldn't say go copy the product, because here's the deal. And I know that some people are going to say, well, Scott, this is great and all. Now people are going to go find out who my supplier is and rip off my product. I'm not worried about that. And you shouldn't be either, because you should be building a brand, period. You should be building a brand. And if you're building a brand, that stuff doesn't really matter, because yes, they can go and rip off your product. Yes, they can go ahead and try to sell it on Amazon. And if you're only doing the same exact thing, then yes, they will probably be able to compete with you, and it'll be a race to the bottom. You'll be competing on price. But what they won't have is, if you do what I've been teaching here for a while, is if you build a brand where you can actually go out there and drive traffic over to your listing. Okay, or drive traffic to your website, or get organic traffic, or build your email list, or any of that stuff. That's really what it comes down to. So again, I don't want to preach too much here, but that's exactly what we do. And actually, I should probably share this. That's exactly what I teach right here in ecombizbook.com. The entire process is mapped out for you to build a brand, all right, to actually go out there and validate your market, but then also build out the plan for you to be successful in your market and not just a one-off product. All right. So definitely check out Jungle Scout, theamazingseller.com/JS. You will get a discount, and you'll get some extra credits there too. They have like a credit system there for other features. You'll get extra ones of those as well when you go through my link, and I would appreciate it. I will enjoy that cup of coffee. And guys, if you have any questions though, like I said, drop them in there. I'll do the best I can to answer them in the comments or on an upcoming Facebook Live or YouTube video. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and give this video a little bit of love, comment. Same thing with Facebook. If you're watching this there, like it, share it. We really want to go out there and help as many people as we can in this business and really build future-proof businesses, not just a one-off product. That's not what we're about. We are about building real businesses, and I like to call them future-proof businesses that do not rely on just one channel. All right, so guys, that is it. That is going to wrap up this little video for you, this little walkthrough of this amazing new feature, but also this tool where we can go out there and find top quality suppliers and manufacturers within minutes. All right, so guys, that's it. It's going to wrap it up. As always, take care, take action. I'll see you soon. Bye.